Standard 5, welcome to the new session of the chapter Busy at Work. This is the last part of the chapter. Today we are going to complete the chapter by two most important topics: circulation of blood and nervous system. We all know the blood, it carries into our body. How it carries? We breathe in oxygen. Oxygen goes into our body. We inhale oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide. This oxygen gets mixed with the blood, and this oxygen, when it is mixed in the blood, it goes into the body and it is transported into the entire body. This is called as the circulation of blood. Circulation of blood requires oxygen. Without oxygen, our cells are unable to work. The heart and the blood vessels together comprises, means the heart along with the blood vessels, it makes the circulatory system. I have given you all the question answers of this chapter. Today is the last part. Apart from that, I want you all to draw this diagram. Can you see this diagram? You need to draw this diagram in your notebooks and this diagram. These two diagrams are very important for you to draw. You have to draw this diagram, the respiratory system and the digestive system in your science notebooks. This is what the circulatory system is all about. Okay, so the process of keeping the blood flowing means passing through all the parts of the body is called as blood circulation. So we require oxygen for the blood circulation to take place. Now let us come to the last part of the topic, nervous system. What does the word nervous system means? Okay, the functions, we have different functions which are being done into our body, like respiratory system, we breathe in. Circulatory system, the blood is flowing. Digestive system, the food is digested. These all are very important. In whole, I can say each system is important in our body, so it has to be carried out. Okay, there are some I can give you some examples, like speaking. Now speaking, when you want to speak, you will speak. Running, studying, play, this all the brain commands. Okay, now you should study. Now it's the time to run, especially during your sports practice. Athletes, as soon as you run, you hear the pistol shooting, you run, or as soon as you see the flag. Okay, so this is what all is called as coordination. Coordination is nothing but it is the way how you are paying attention. Sometimes you are present, but suddenly your coordination, your attention goes away. So coordination means nothing but paying attention. Now inside the body, cells are also doing coordination. As you eat food, okay, digestive organ starts becoming alert. Now we have to digest the food. The machine has to start churning the food. So coordination has to be done on in right time and in right manner. There is a network that connects the brain to the different parts. Now all this coordination takes place with the help of the brain. The brain is a messenger box. It is giving us messages daily, what to do and how to do. So it is called the brain, and the network of nerves is called as the nervous system. With this I have completed the chapter. On the page number, turn to page number 113. This you can see we have learned. I want you all to revise this very thoroughly. This is a very important passage. You read it, you revise it once, twice, thrice, many a times, so that you get it. Okay, you understand it. So with this we completed the chapter Busy at Work. In the next chapter we will do in this chapter growth. So before we wind up, a very happy Christmas to you, to all of you, but see that you maintain distance, you don't move around outside unnecessarily. Okay, your health is utmost important, and happy new year. May this new year brings us once again together, all of us. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.